Hey guys, Connor from the all-new White Rock Dodge. This episode of WRD Pranks, I have a air horn that we're gonna try to get someone with.
Everywhere I run to, you are close behind.
Okay, so you're going to be the lurer.
Understood.
We're gonna get Tommy to come outside with you. Just be like, hey, I got a question about a new vehicle or something like that. Act like a rookie.
Yep.
Get him outside.
Sounds really easy.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I called you. And then I'm going to come up from him behind, and I'm going to blow this in.
You're gonna blast him with it. All right, cool.
Yeah.
12 seconds later.
Mother. Pause. Hello. Do you have bullshit? Tommy's with a customer. Does his customer look like he'd be okay with getting blown in the air? So, potential heart attack for the customer. Abort the mission.
Those are bell peppers.
Bell peps.
Hey, can you take this one?
Nope.
Wait, can you
Just
have
take the slice of pizza, man.
But I don't like peppers.
it? Take a bite. You don't want to get tossed in the garbage. Don't go fuck. I can't taste so amazing barbecue sauce.
Can you use your tall legs to see where they are?
He's right there. He's walking out. Walking outside. Are we getting him outside?
Oh, buddy.
Or inside?
Outside.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh,
Van Horn's a stud. WRD Pranks! My bad, Tommy. Well done, Van Horn. Well done.
Thanks, Tommy. Appreciate it, bud.
Trying to be helpful. Absolutely, Seward.
You will never help me again.
What do you want from me right now? Ears are ringing. I'll live. I'll survive. Just out here trying to be helpful. And Mikey has ruined all of that trust.